It's your boy SRT 920 back at it again.
Ryan is a faggot.
Wow. Yeah, okay. I'm gonna leave that in. This is a trailer my brother-in-law has gifted to me for my Christmas gift, which is fucking badass. So what we did so far, this was just the trailer itself. It was just the axle and the body frame. So far, what me and my boy did.
I want to make Ryan come.
Boy, if you don't stop doing that. I have to blank that out. There is no profanity that is supposed to be into the YouTube.
Hold up. Wait a minute. Something ain't right.
So far, what me and my boy did, we did the taillights. We had to cut it out with an angle grinder. We did both sides. We had a rough route, the wiring and everything. We're still going through it all. It's gonna be fine and perfection. It's gonna be tight and sealed and everything on the inside. We are right now, what we just did was the grading on the front of the trailer that it's gonna be going through to keep more securement. Don't mind, my boys are all drunk right now, but we have to secure the securement of the grounding. The grounding has to be trimmed a little bit shorter because it's obviously too long. We're troubleshooting as we go. Right now, we're doing the wall wells. Right now, we got to trim this back about a couple inches just to make it nice and even for a tailgate. And then we might be building walls on the side just to make it more securement and all that, that good stuff. We got the jack stand up right there over there. Come on, I am literally trying to shoot a video. Oh,
You so sexy, daddy.
Jesus Christ, there's too many people here right now and it's just too much. And it's right now, well, me and my brother-in-law right now, we just was welding these right here. We're welding the grate right now.
Come on now, dog. Come on, man.
Yeah. No, I didn't say me. I said my brother-in-law. You fucking asshole. You know I gotta crop all this shit out of the video?
Ha! Gay!
Jesus Christ. So we're gonna rip this wood out right here. Put a bigger piece of wood right here just so it's obviously closed all the way. It is a nice tilt back. Pull this pin back and this whole trailer tilts back, so it's pretty nice.
I'm gonna come. Oh.
So if I ever
92 Sean makes my pussy wet.
Jesus Christ. So I can't with these guys right now. We have to add the tongue. We have to add the chains. We have to add the new pin. The pin here is a little rusted. I had a cold galv it, but it still works. Oh, you did? Oh, hey, trial and error. People love this kind of stuff on YouTube. It's okay. But pretty much everything that's going on right now, it's all coming to place. Everyone's just... I don't influence this. We're all drunk and we're doing this, but it's a good time. It's a good time. We're having a good time doing this as we build this trailer up, but from scratch, it was literally, it didn't have these walls, it didn't have this grading, it didn't have this stand, no tongue, but as we go, Ray, right?
Hell yeah, brother.
This is gonna come along pretty damn good. We bought this for what? No, I didn't buy it. It was a Christmas gift. You got it for a couple $100. If you were to sell this thing right here, right now, what would you say, Ray?
Ryan pooped in his pants while making this video.
Oh my fuck.
I guess that's what I say.
This would literally be probably like a $2,000 trailer after we're done with it. But thank you. It's your boy SRT 920. Thank you for locking in and have a good night. Oh my God, the beautiful flowers. Alright, so I realized in that video I was doing the trailer, it was kind of all over the place because there was liquor involved. And it just, Winnie the Pooh. It was just a whole thing. I don't even know what I'm talking about in the video, but I'm going to post it just for shits and giggles. Try not to swear, but in that video, clearly swore a lot. But what's what?
This.
That is a jack stand.
That's
Can't
what
tell?
it looks like, but like
It's secured in there because Ray literally welded this on so you can put an impact into it, and then so you can use an impact instead of a. But Nova, get over here. But we didn't readjust the jack stand. I'm in my chanclas, so. Jack stands, you can tell because if you look at it, it's crooked, but it holds up good. Just gotta readjust the plates on it. We got her all nice and primed up and everything. Oh, my keys are in my car, huh? No, it's fine. So pretty much, we ran out of the square tubing right here. We ended up doing some nice sturdy rods here. It does look good. And my brother-in-law put some good ingenuity into this. Did put that on there so like if I'm loading something, I won't bang up my toolbox, which is pretty creative. We got the wheel wells, or fucking wheel fenders on. He did this little creativity right here. I like this. This is probably like my favorite part of the trailer just because of how nice it looks. Hey, Dibby. What you doing? What you doing? We got the tail lights on. Didn't really get to secure this, but I mean, it's not going anywhere. But yes, sir, this is the finished product. Finished product of this bad boy, and
I love it.
it's nice. Obviously, can get some new like wheels and stuff like that, but other than that, she's a good trailer.
You showed the steps.
Oh yeah, we had like some extra spare material, so built a nice little staircase, a step-up stool, whatever the hell you want to call it. Look at those dimes, dude. Laying dimes. I didn't do it. But yeah, she looks good. Got the cold give all over the wood, but I ain't worried about it. This is gonna be something if I take to Chicago to go pick up a bike or something. Alright, yep. Catch you guys in the next video. I know it's not related to the car, but something I did and I learned how to weld, so I figured I'd share it.